Hi, I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This little review, we're going to go over this parts organizer that I purchased at Walmart. It is called a Keter, is the brand name, Pro Series, Cantilever Organizer, 18 compartments. Let me rearrange the camera. We're going to get a review on this thing, show you why I like it and what I'm going to use it for. Appreciate you being here. Okay, here is the Keter Pro Series Cantilever Organizer 18. Let's see, that might be a little bit better on the glare right there. Get a closer up on that. Okay, let's start out with the overall length, counting at the handles on each side. It is 18 inches this way, 9.5 inches. And tall, it is 5.5. Lightweight, seems to be made of sturdy plastic. The top is clear, as you can see. Does come open, has 12 compartments on top, and if you notice the lid right here, let me turn it this way. Notice the lid, it has these bumps in here, and that is to prevent the trays from sliding out of the way. So that's a good feature. So keeps all the trays in the spot that they're supposed to be. Top section, each tray is just over 3.5 inches by just over 2.25, and height is just under 1.75. And you'll see how the inside of these is kind of rounded at the bottom. Let's see if you can see that pretty good. There you go. Which does take out some of your capacity, but it is what it is. Okay, one thing about this, I'm going to turn it sideways. It cantilevers like this to open up. So that's good. Oh, I forgot to mention it has a nice sturdy aluminum handle. Okay, the 6 containers on the inside, 6 compartments. Each one is almost 5 inches by 3.5 inches, and deep just under 3.5. So this is pretty good for most things. You can take some out if you need to. Put these in different configurations, just whatever you like. These are not going to slide with the top closed. And I'm going to show you why I bought this container. So let me grab something right next to me and give me a second here. Now, if you like me, you like your sports cameras. So, this one, this bottom compartment, easily holds your sports cams. You can put 2 in each pocket. There you go. So I have 5 sports cams, so they'll easily fit in there, no issues at all. And you'll see it will close easily. And use these top compartments for things like these little knobs that come with all the sports cameras, or I always carry those spring clamps such as this, alligator clamps. Throw those in one of these compartments. Let's see here. Odds and ends things right here. Bicycle mounts. Hand wrist or wrist straps can go in here. But I find this as a great thing to keep GoPro and accessories in. Perfect size. I think if you saw them, put your GoPro or whatever brand that you have in here, I think you'd like it too. Of course, there are many, many, many different uses for this. This would be great for people who do a lot of beading, making necklaces, or people who rebuild Hot Wheel cars. You put your pieces in here. Number of different uses. But let me do this. You see how I have this compartment right here? Let me fill up another one with something else. We'll clamp this down. And you'll see when it's clamped down, shaken up, these pieces will not change compartments. So, got this for like 15, 16 bucks at Walmart, made by Keter. I think it's a great little addition to anybody's shop. My name is Carl. I do appreciate being with us today.